My right side. Good side.
Let's start.
All right, ready? We're ready.
Hey everybody, Chef AJ here in Deerfield Beach, Florida at the Wyndham Hotel right on the beach where I just finished a wonderful 5-day conference for vegan leadership and influencer with my good friend Dr. Frank Sabatino, who runs a retreat at the Balance for Life here in Florida.
We'd like to welcome you to the ocean here in Deerfield. It's a lovely day. We just finished a 5-day leadership conference, a vegan leadership conference, bringing in some of the big vegan influencers from across the country, networking and talking about how we're going to move this vegan thing forward. That's what we want to do, bring everybody into this vegan world with us.
And I was so impressed with the way they run this hotel. They do the food SOS free and vegan that I decided to have my 60th birthday right here on Sunday, March 22nd to the 26th and do my own 5-day conference with Dr. Frank as a speaker and bring in some of my favorite speakers and friends, Dr. Lisle, John Pierre, and hopefully Dr. Stephan Esser. He's the only one that hasn't been confirmed, but we think we'll get him because he was pretty close. So let's show you the hotel so that you can decide if you want to join us for my 60th birthday. Here's the lobby, which you probably won't be spending much time in because you'll want to be either at the lectures or at the beach.
We can show them our Mediterranean restaurant.
We have lunch in this restaurant. Huge salad bar, all you can eat. Delicious SOS street dressing.
This is our private dining room where we have dinner for our intimate guests when they come, because we run a complete health retreat here in addition to the conferences that we run. And so in the evening we have this place privately for our guests. And then
but if we end up having a bigger group, we'll be in a different room.
Right. When we do bigger groups, we have the ballroom in larger spaces to accommodate the lovely people that come. And this is the Mediterranean restaurant in the hotel.
We ate lunch outside.
They don't serve lunch in this establishment. So we have it privately for our group at lunchtime, and you can see all the outside tables so you can eat oceanside. Look at that beautiful view. Getting the breezes off the ocean while you eat al fresco.
I wish I could film this yesterday to show you the amazing job they do on the
put out the salad bar
with
and
3
all of that.
SOS free dressings. They had a date mustard, a fig apple, and a balsamic. It was incredible.
So let's go down the hall. We'll look at our breakfast space. It's a beautiful little patio bar.
And by the way, if you're here, Dr. Frank is one of the best chiropractors I've ever encountered. You could even get a session with him. He uses very, very gentle methods. None of that cracking or crushing.
Maybe that's not the best thing. That's one of our meeting rooms. Let's go down the hall.
They're cleaning the carpet in there, but that's the room where I taught yoga.
Right. We're walking down the hotel toward the pool and toward our breakfast nook.
They have a microwave that I use that to microwave some of my sweet potatoes when I got hungry between meals.
All right, here.
You can check your email, print your boarding passes. This is where we have
You
breakfast.
can see our influencers still mingling here as we wind up our conference. Let's go into that space. This is our patio bar where we have our morning breakfast. It doesn't serve breakfast. You can see how we're eating on ocean. And we lay out this beautiful bar of all organic fresh fruit, grains like oatmeal, that kind of thing. And so...
and greens.
And
You
greens.
will be able to get greens, not just grains.
And by the way, because we serve our food SOS, no salt, oil, and sugar, we serve it buffet style. This is not about calories. This is not about food restriction. It's an all you can eat, but understanding calorie density. That's what we focus on.
So we're going to show you the pool because there's water aerobics classes too sometimes, right?
No, we start with a morning walk in the morning, then we have our breakfast, then we have 2 exercise classes, 1 water aerobics, 1 stretching and turning. We have a lecture, lunch, and then we have classes in the afternoon, including yoga, tai chi. So we work on all aspects of fitness, stress management, and the like.
And since John Pierre is going to be here, he can even teach additional classes like morning fitness on the beach.
And we look forward to having those people come with the conference. They can bring their little flavor to the fitness program.
They're SOS free flavor.
Hey, how are you?
As we move down the hall toward the pool,
I took the water aerobics class and the yoga class, both fabulous. And you're right on the beach.
a nice shot right here. So you can see this lovely pool setting. And you see cabanas in the distance that are private, like shaded spaces for people to hang out and just relax by the
Weather is
pool.
always perfect
And we
here.
have these beautiful balmy breezes that
And
are
March
just
is
lovely.
going to be incredible. March is one of the
Yeah, it'll be lovely.
best months.
Yeah, March will be lovely here.
You can see the pool.
In fact, in March, the temperature of the water really starts to warm up. You can be in that ocean all day, playing, just frolicking in that sea. And it's so gorgeous out there.
Nobody wants to leave.
I know.
That's the problem. When you come in, you don't want to check out. Absolutely.
Well, let's look at one of the rooms.
Let's go check it out.
Should I stop it here and then go?
Yeah, do that. I want to get this coming in, how beautiful this is.
So
Yeah.
imagine every day you come to your room and this is what you see.
This is one of our oceanfront rooms with king. We also have rooms that have 2 queens, but this is one of the king bedrooms. And you can see, and I have to be honest, we're one of the few places in the country that does water-only fasting. And I have to tell you, after so many years of fasting people, this is the easiest place that I have ever found to fast people. Because when you do water fasting, you spend an awful lot of time in your room at times. And what's better than to be in a room where you can open the windows, get ocean breeze, and watch the sunrises every day, and just groove on this beachfront setting.
Really nice.
Rooms are
Beautiful.
impeccably clean, very comfortable, just lovely, lovely accommodations. I'm very happy to be at this hotel.
It's so beautiful.
So you can get this pan from this side, you can see all of that. And then for all the women, we're gonna show the bathrooms too, of course. Wow, do you know how good that is?
And after 5 days eating clean, SOS free, you'll look great in your bikini.
Absolutely.
Very nice clean bathrooms, showers, big closets.
Big shower stalls, big closets.
Clean and comfortable.
Yeah.
So, save the date right now, March 22nd to March 26th, 2020, for Chef AJ's birthday celebration with Dr. Frank Sabatino, Dr. Doug Lisle, John Pierre, and possibly more, because it will be a very limited event. It will sell out. So save the date now, and I'll get you all the information as soon as possible. And if you can't make those dates, consider coming anyway to Balance for Life Retreat and either fast or do a
We run it year-round, every day. We're here every day, every month. So if you have any healthcare needs, we'd love to take care of you. Absolutely.
We do more than just water fasting though, right?
Yeah, we do what we said. We do
Yeah.
the water fasting, but we are a full plant-based health program
Yes.
with a full SOS program, no added salt, oil, sugar, organic fruit, vegetables. We have wonderful food prep, and again,
delicious.
the food is as
delicious.
much as you want to eat. There is
And
no
it's
limitation on
delicious.
that, and it's delish.
All right, guys, hope to see you next year.